Hey guys, well I finally got my K-223s all cleaned up and now it's time for the individual videos of each one. This one here is a 1980 Lakewood Kmart K-223, second generation. I got this fan from Professor Kiwi, that in a 1982 K-223, as you saw in my last video. This is the fan that I sent the check for, or paid for. This fan was really dirty when I got it, but I cleaned it up and it came out nice. So let me show it off to you. You can see how clean the blade is. The blade was really dirty, but cleaned it off. All the grill seemed to really need was a good spray down. Go around, take you to the rest of the fan. And this came out pretty nice too. Got that nice blue color. This cleaned up pretty nice. And so did the knob. Didn't even take a Q-tip or rubbing alcohol, just took a damp sponge. And there's the good old sparkly Kmart sticker. See? Looks nice. That's the reason I wanted this fan. There's the other side. View the back. It's got the typical Lakewood or Macmillan motor. Apparently the motor to this one didn't have as much dust in there as I thought. But I went and blew it out and came out nice. Okay, now the moment we've all been waiting for. The demonstration. Here's high. Oh yeah, this fan is pretty powerful. It does move plenty of air. Medium sun. And low. And it's nice and low too. Back to high. And off. And it spins down pretty nicely too. I think I'll do the startup sound. This one, like most Lakewoods, has a nice startup sound. Nice fan. One of the best fans Lakewood made, that's for sure. Not like the brace bladed fan. Yeah, it's got brace blade power. Baloney. It's got good solid plastic power right here. Here's start up on high. Coast down, give you the start up on low. Okay, now the start up on low. And that's my 1980 Lakewood Kmart K-223 box fan. Thanks for the fan, Professor Kiwi. And to the rest of y'all, thanks for watching, and bye for now.